Hi, today we're going to look into what a blob is and what it does. So when you're uploading a file or you're setting an image from an uploaded file, oh, that didn't work. Perfect. And you go to inspect elements here, and you just give Wized a bit more space. Perfect. You're going to see that we're having a blob in here. Right here. And if I were to click on that blob, I will see the image. So when I upload an image on a file input, right, this is uploaded on the browser. And when this is uploaded on the browser will have a copy of that image saved to it. And this is what the blob is. The blob is the path, is the file of this image that is in your browser and that is linked to your browser. That's why when you have a blob, you cannot share this with a friend. It's not like a file that is in the cloud. This is locally on your browser. So it will only last for a certain amount of time and it will only last for your browser. So you cannot open this on a different browser. It will say page not found or something like this. So this is what a blob is. It is super handy if you upload something and you want to show a preview of the file that the user uploaded without having to have it sent to the database first. Because when I upload a file, as you can see here, I want it to pop up there instantly. And it takes some time to go to the database. So we can access from the object that we uploaded in this file input here, the file object, we can access the raw file of it and turn it into a blob URL in Wized very easily without having to go through much code. And actually, let me show you how we're going to do this. So we had this set file preview. And the action we're going to do is when we get this file uploaded, this is the file object that we uploaded, we just take this file object right here and we're putting it into the function url.createObjectURL, and then we apply this to the file object. And as you see, we're going to get a link. And every time I run this action here, I will get a different link, and because I will have this set in my browser. And if I were to copy this link and open this in my browser, as you can see, I will see it. But if you were to copy this link, and feel free to try it, here's the link. If you were to copy this in your browser, you wouldn't see it because it is only saved on my browser. This is what a blob is. And now if I were to submit this file to the database, right, it will be sent to the database and my database would return, an attachment or file URL. In this case, it doesn't return anything. But your database will probably return a file URL or a file path, which you can access on your database. So the file URL you get from your database is on the cloud. That's on your database, right? But the blob is locally. It's a file that is saved locally in the browser that you can access to show an immediate instant file preview like this one here. And this is what a blob is.